Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this video I'll be talking about never miss a trade again with just this simple strategy. Now, as an SMC trader, focus on order block, trading from taking your trade from order block, or any strategy you're using at all. So this simply video is what never miss out any trade again with just this simple strategy, which is what I'm going to break down in a minute. So, but before we do that, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and subscribe for more. So let's go into it now. Assuming on a bullish trend, right? On a bullish trend, and you saw a change of character, waiting for price to tap into your order block before going for a short. And most of the cases, you saw that when the price will not tap into your order block and start retracing, and that way you must have miss that trade. So that is what this video is for. Simply a simple way in not to miss out any trade again. So which is it? I'm not saying this is 100% pure. It work most of the times, but sometimes it didn't work. It will not work, but it work most of the time. So that is just it. No strategy is perfect. No matter how you think you know everything in the market, not every time the market will work according to your plan. So, but this video, I'll be showing you how not to miss a trade again when you are waiting for a trade to come to your zone for an action. Now, on this market, what I draw there, we are looking forward for a pure sell, right? Because we saw a break of structure from the upside, then we saw a change of character, then we mark our order block point of interest, then looking for market to make a retracement into our order block before going for a short, right? And now what you should do, what you should know is simply not to miss these trades. You simply work the price up to your zone. Now this is what I mean. Immediately you saw a change of this is it. Now we know that when price is going this up, when price is going to tap to the zone, it's creating a bullish trend, right? So when price is going, this is it. When price is coming to your zone, it's creating a bullish trend. Bullish. So what you should just look for is immediately price got to your zone, has not tapped into your zone, close to your zone. The next thing you should be looking for is you mark the support on the lower time frame. When the price is approaching your zone, you go to the lower time frame to see this change, to see this thing before you can go for a short or a buy. So you simply mark out your support, your resistance on the lower time frame, then you mark out your also you mark out your support. So what you should simply do now is, if the price will break this one again, to break this resistance, then you know is what's coming to your zone, right? But you still work the price up because you don't know yet. So now we saw if the price eventually should break this support, then you know is obviously the market just change character, and there's no way it's coming back to your zone. You're waiting for again. So what you should just do now is you just take an action, because most of the time immediately you just broke this place with a full body candle. What you should do is you just go in, because most of the time you will not see price come back to this zone again before you take another short. So immediately the price will break below this your support with the body candle. That is when on the 15 minutes or 5 minutes, that is when you should take for a short or a long. That is it. And stop loss, to even reduce your stop loss, then stop loss above your resistance previously created. And pure example is to show that I'm using it. This is a pure example of what I'm trying to say. Currently on the trade on GBPUSD, and same thing I just show you guys the same principle I applied here, which is going to the 5 minutes. Going to the 5 minutes. Now this was my zone. This was the zone I was waiting for price to tap into. If I go to this was my order block waiting for price to tap into, and see clearly the price did tap into it. I would have missed this trade, but it's still going, it's still ongoing. I'll keep you guys updated. So this is just it. So we saw the price. If I go into my order block, we saw resistance. Then mark out mark this out. So the market was just consolidating all the way up here. Then it went on the way up, going to 15 minutes. we went all the way up to tap into our what? To tap into our fair value gap, and we saw another break of structure. So on the 15 minutes, immediately I marked my support zone. Then on the 5 minutes, looking forward for a what? You break off it, you break off this support with the body candle before what? I entered for my short, and currently I saw a break of structure with the body candle. I entered for my short, stop loss above here, and target is 1:4, 1:3. So this is what I'm looking forward to, and this is what I just want to show you guys. So if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, so other people can, so YouTube can refer this video to other people. Bye.